we get into the fun part of intelligent automation. This is robotic process automation, or better yet, RPA. Let's start with what RPA is. On the technical side, RPA is the configuration of a computer software robot to interact with digital systems and emulate human interaction to execute a business process. Sounds a bit technical. Let's get it into more the financial world. Simply put, a RPA is a macro except on steroids. So as you train a macro to work on an Excel document, so too you use an RPA bot to work across applications, from your Excel to your Word to text files to online systems. This is what a bot can do. The best explanation I had was a while ago when this gentleman explained an RPA bot as employing someone. You must treat an RPA bot as if you're going to employ someone into your business, except this person is a robot. This person can work 24 hours a day, 365, and perform highly manual tasks that are repetitive, rules-based. He will tell you exactly he'll do exactly what you tell him to do. These processes need to be standardized. Again, we're going back to what we spoke about earlier, having your processes documented and standardized so that everyone knows what's going on. And everything must be digitized. This bot cannot read handwriting. This bot can read machine readable data. So we're referring to PDF documents, to Excel documents, to text files. This bot that you're employing into your business can do those things. And finally, it must be stable. Again, I compare it to as if you were employing someone into the organization. That person needs their computer to be stable, that person needs his internet connection to be stable, and he needs the specific application that he's working on to be stable. Yes, this might be more IT related, but when you're employing someone to the business, he or she cannot do their job without that application being stable. And this is exactly how I want you to treat the RPA bots. So what are the benefits? You've got this bot that can work 365 days a year, 24/7. He doesn't need a holiday. And one thing that I want you to keep in mind is that one bot as a person can perform many tasks. And this bot is very talented. You can use him in finance, in HR, in legal. So it doesn't always have to be just be in a financial department. It can be an interdepartmental robot. So what are the benefits? He's got a much improved accuracy. Again, he will only do what you tell him to do, or she, or it. It's highly scalable. There are fast cost savings. We realize ROIs within a month in some situation, but that is situation dependent. Increases your speed. A bot works a lot quicker than a human. It just is what it is. That's why for data capturing, it is so important. For the customer interaction, it's very important if speed is important to your business. Increased productivity. What we mean by this is that the people in your business that were performing these functions can now be reprioritized to be doing something that is more productive for your business, more strategic. Increased compliance. Think about auditing. Think about being able to go through all the data and not only parts of the data. This will increase your compliance. And one thing to keep in mind with this bot that you're employing into your organization is that he jots down everything that he's doing, task by task, so everything can be audited. So what are the RPA global finance trends at the moment? There are many. As we said before, finance and accounting is the first department that we start with whenever we enter into an organization because of the amount of repetitive, high-volume tasks that are happening. Let's start with tax, treasury, and compliance. The ability to prepare tax returns, tax accounting entries, and file tax returns and payments. That's stuff that no one really wants to be doing. It's very monotonous. That is where the bot can come into play. Case in point is a bot can log into SARS and file your tax returns, be it VAT, PAYE, or your income tax. A bot can do that. It can work on top of the application. Again, I implore everyone to understand that a bot does exactly what a human can do on a computer. Think about a bot working on the computer as you work on a computer. Financial planning, analysis, and reporting. Generating profit loss reports, cash flow preparation, trial balance preparation. You tell this bot what to do and she will do it for you. Audit management. We've been over this. Analyzing your risks, data gathering, and report generation. You can tell the bot to prepare a report for you every single morning by 7 o'clock when you enter into the office. The bot needs to send you an email with specific information that's tailor-made for your position or designation. And finally, again, I said it earlier, general business management, monthly payroll, recruitment. Your HR department can definitely use this bot to sift through thousands and thousands of CVs, which we have done before. And managing your travel and expense management. Have everyone in your business send all their travel expenses to the bot, to an inbox that the bot is monitoring, and she can then look at that statement and make sure that that information is accurately captured on your respective finance or ERP system. I will now be going into a video of a bot that is busy showing how to do the accounts payable process. Everyone always wants to see what a bot can actually do. All you're going to see is a bot working on top of the application and performing a function very quickly. In this case, we'll be using the tool that we use as Tangent Solutions, which is UiPath. Watch and enjoy.
Have you ever wondered what robotic process automation, or RPA, can do for you? In short, it provides a competitive advantage by helping you improve both accuracy and speed of operations while radically driving down costs. So how does it work? In this video, we'll show you how UiPath streamlines an invoice process end to end. You are about to see a robot performing the following activities: monitoring a dedicated folder where invoices are saved in PDF format, reading invoices from that folder one by one, extracting key information from the invoices, opening SAP, filling in invoice details in SAP, sending email notifications. Please note that the robot will do some activities in the background, such as most of the invoice-related actions, monitoring a folder or checking its email address. Now let's see it working. Right now, it's monitoring a folder where 3 invoices are stored and collecting all the information needed so it can register them one by one. It then asks the tester to introduce the email address where the posting notification will be sent, and also performs basic checks to see if the SAP is open and runs it on its own if not. Logging into SAP using its credentials, it then starts processing the invoices one by one. We can see it filling in data such as vendor code, invoice date, invoice number, invoice amount, invoice description, and GL account, and ends up by filling the payment term. Following that, it registers the remaining 2 invoices in the assigned company code. An email containing the SAP registration number is sent automatically by the robot after successfully registering each invoice. Checking in the background, the robot verifies whether the VAT on the invoice matches the one in our database, and if so, will post it automatically. Otherwise, it will park it and send a dedicated email to the responsible person highlighting this difference and asking what to do: post the invoice or to cancel it and send it back to the vendor. All the invoice's details are visible in the email it sends, so let's reply with yes to the message for an invoice with a VAT difference. Finally, it will check its email address in the background, access SAP using the appropriate transaction code, and post the invoice. And that's it. The robot has successfully posted the 3 invoices in SAP. Do you want to know more? We're happy to help. Contact us here.